All right, this is our last little kite type of problem. It could be construed really as a kite or a rhombus. But the way we're going to look at this is we have an angle of 58 degrees. Whether it is a kite or a rhombus, you know that your diagonals are perpendicular. So I have a right angle here, and I'm going to look at this as a right triangle. Now, within your kites, you have sides that are congruent. You have consecutive sides that are congruent. So we can say that 4 and this side are congruent. So this is also going to be 4 yards. I'm given an angle of 58 degrees. So when I'm given an angle of 58 degrees and I have 4 is my hypotenuse, guys. It's across from that right angle. When I have 4 and 58 degrees, I can solve for x and y. So in order to solve for x and y, I'm going to use a little trig. You're like, I'm over it. I'm done. Stop at the trig. No, trig for life. Rest of the semester, guys. We will be doing trig from here on out. So in order to solve for x, x is adjacent to my 58 degrees. So that's cosine of 58 equals x over 4. Move that 4 to the other side. 4 times cosine of 58 should give me x. With my calculator, we get x is equal to 2.119677, and it's just going to keep on going, yards. I'm going to do the same thing, but with sine for the y value. So 4 times sine 58 equals y. And when we plug that in, we get 3.392192, yada yada, yards. Keep all of those decimals with you. So now I need to find my diagonals. So my first diagonal I'm going to look at is the one my x's are on. So since these are congruent, to find diagonal 1, I'm going to take x times 2. Now x, remember, is located over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to take that number times 2. And so diagonal 1 is equal to 4.239354. Keep that whole decimal with you, yards. And then I'm going to look at diagonal 2, which is going to go the other direction, d2. And that's going to be y times 2. So d2, if I take y, which was 3.392 something, times 2, that gives me 6.784384 continued yards. And so for my final answer, for area, I'm going to take D1, which is 4.239354, continued, times y, or diagonal 2, which is 6.784384, continued, over 2. So I'm going to take these two full decimals, take the whole things with you, and multiply them together, and then divide by 2. So my area, now I round to the nearest tenth. My area is 14.4 yards squared.